Nobody sent these emails, nobody made a call, and nobody sent this SMS either. Watch. If you have a real estate firm, you know there are three types of people your business might attract: the investor, the buyer, and also the seller. And if you're the type of firm that actually works with all three, or even at least two of them, then you definitely want to have yourself something like this. This system does everything for you. From the moment someone gets into your system, the system immediately understand what type of person they are. Are they buyers, sellers, or investors? And at the same time, it understands the type of urgency attached to each person. If they are someone you should target now, or they are someone you should still send emails and SMS, which is going to happen automatically. You don't have to lift a finger to do any of those. If they are someone who is not going to buy, or they are someone who is not going to be your client at the end of the day, this system actually recognizes all of them, tags them, and categorizes them so that you can actually follow up the leads that are ready to buy or sell or invest now. This way, you will 10 times your result. You will increase your sales, your closing, you will increase everything and stay efficient. And at the end of the day, you're saving yourself a ton of time so you can have time doing other things that you love to do. I know you understand the frustration that is attached to following up a lead for months, and at the end of the day, they don't do business with you. They either go somewhere else to do their business, or they don't even reach out to you anymore. It can be very frustrating. You can stop that by actually using a system like this. See, within 48 hours, 3 different leads landed on your website, and then there is zero manual input from your agent. You are not stressing yourself, and when you reach out to people, you reach out to them knowing the kind of person they are and knowing the kind amount of energy and urgency that is attached to each client, to each lead. So I built system like this. This is one snapshot. This is one example. I built system like this for businesses, and this one in particular is for real estate business. If you want something like this, reach out to me or book a call with the link in my bio. Have a wonderful weekend.